Hi everyone, welcome to Discovering Natural. If this is your first time watching our video, please feel free to click the subscribe button and thumbs it up if you enjoy this content. Now, aloe vera is one of those amazing plants that everybody raves about and raves about, and everybody's like, oh, aloe vera this, aloe vera that. Now, do you know why that is so? First and foremost, aloe vera contains antibacterial properties that help with the pH level of your scalp. When exactly should you use aloe vera in your hair and on your scalp? The first time that you should use it, or when you should use it, first of all, just know that aloe vera helps with detoxifying the scalp, and it can help you with treating dandruff. So if you feel like you're someone that you have dandruff in your scalp, aloe vera can help you with that. One thing that I do is I make aloe vera juice, and when I make aloe vera juice, I use that and I spray it onto the scalp, and I can use that to kind of put the scalp back into its calming motion, and kind of get rid of that dandruff from the hair. Secondly, you can use aloe vera as a mask. Okay, if your hair feels a little bit dry, a little bit parched, you can use it to nourish your hair and nourish your scalp and give it that moisture that you need for your hair. When can you use it again? Okay, you can use the aloe vera when you feel like your hair needs to be conditioned. So aloe vera acts like a natural hair conditioner to soften your hair. So if you are someone that your hair tends to be hard all the time, you can use aloe vera to soften your hair. When again can you use aloe vera? Okay, you can use aloe vera to add shine to your hair. So if you feel like your hair is kind of dull and it doesn't look right, the first thing I will say is do clarify your hair. I have a video that you can watch right over there, the card that just popped up, that will show you how to clarify your hair. But aloe vera does give you that shine that you want, especially when you use it in form of a gel. That is one of the best ways that you can incorporate aloe vera into your hair. Lastly, aloe vera helps in strengthening your hair. Yes, it adds moisture to your hair, but it also adds ingredients that can nourish and that can strengthen your hair. So that is another way you can use aloe vera. It also is a great conditioner, like a deep conditioner. You can add it to your deep conditioner. If your deep conditioner needs to be pH balanced, anything like your sprays, if you need to pH balance any of your products, you can include aloe vera, like put a little bit of aloe vera juice in there, slap it in there, and you are good to go. I don't know, I want to ask you a question. When have you used aloe vera in your hair? Let me tell you something. There's another way that you can use aloe vera, or when you can use aloe vera. When that scalp is itching, when you have that itchy scalp and you don't know what to do, you can spray a little bit of aloe vera. I know a lot of people say, oh, when they use aloe vera, their scalp itches. Well, it could be because when you got the aloe vera plant, you did not remove the sap. You know that yellow sap that appears? You did not remove the sap properly, and that can cause your scalp to be itchy. And also, when your scalp is getting detoxified, it will also create a slight itchiness to kind of calm down the toxins that has built up in your scalp. But those are key ways and when you should be using aloe vera. Now I want to know, comment below, let me know your best way of using aloe vera, and if this video has been helpful to you, please feel free to share to other people. And guess what? I'll see you in another video. Thanks for watching. Bye.